So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the books, you know, the books which I need motivation to read. Actually, these all are the books which I don't know, because of few reasons, I'm avoiding these books, and these have been on my TBR. Many of these books, not all, but many of these books are on my TBR since a long time, and I haven't touched them. And I will tell you why I haven't touched them, and I really need you, you know, need you all to motivate me to read this. So if any of these books are very good, kind of very good and excellent to read, so please motivate me in the comments. So let's start, and I will show you what are these books which are on my TBR since for so long. If you motivate me, I will read them and will give you a review about it. Okay, so first book is a self-help book. Okay, this is my second self-help book which I got as a gift, and this is Energize Your Mind by Gaur Gopal Das. So this is Learn the Art of Mastering Your Thoughts, Feelings and Emotions. So this is a self-help book, and yeah, Gaur Gopal Das is actually very famous, and this someone has said that it contains interactive exercises also, and it basically talks about how you can control your mind, emotions and thoughts and feelings and all, and there are interactive exercises in it. Okay, but still this is a self-help, and this is I think a bit big for self-help, and sorry, a bit thick for self-help, and I don't know if I can read this book. Actually, I can enjoy it or not. I don't know. I am not sure, and that's why I am avoiding. Like I am not reading it. It is not on my immediate TBR list. So yeah, if you have read this book and you have liked it, so please motivate me to read. Okay, so second is a very famous classic. It is Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. So it's a classic, and yeah, it's a love story, I think. Yeah, it's a love story between Elizabeth and Darcy, Mr. Darcy. And it's very popular. I think people love this book, but it is a classic, and I don't know, I have this concept in my mind that classics are difficult to read. So, and it is thick also. This book is thick actually, and so I don't know, I have kind of made an observation that this book is hard to read, maybe difficult to understand. That's why I have not read it till now. So if it is kind of very good and very easy to read, or maybe some whatever your opinion is about it, please motivate me. Okay, so yeah, and this is a love story, and I want to read it actually. So, and this is so yeah, maybe I will read it. Okay, so I basically need motivation for everything. Okay, so third is an autobiography which is of very famous, very inspirational, Wings of Fire by APJ Abdul Kalam. It's an autobiography, and I've heard this book that it is very famous. Like, it is very famous and it's very inspirational. People are kind of very motivated to read it. So I bought this book, and I thought that it would be very inspirational, and I'm sure that it is inspirational. And I have read it also. Some few pages I have read, but sadly I DNF'd this book because the part of APJ Abdul Kalam's life is interesting. I found that part interesting, but the part of science in this book, like all observatory rocket science and everything, I'm not interested in science. So yeah, that's why maybe I lost interest and I DNF'd it. But I really want to read this book. I kind of, admire APJ Abdul Kalam, so I really want to read his journey. And I like the part of his journey, his childhood and everything, but the part of science I didn't like it, so I DNF'd it, sadly. But maybe I will pick it later. Okay. So, and yeah, this is the first book I DNF'd. So next is also a classic book. It is again a very famous classic. It is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte, and I absolutely love this cover. It's gorgeous. Like, wow. It's very beautiful. It has a very beautiful cover. This is also kind of very popular, and people say that it's a great story. I think this is also a love story. I'm not sure. Maybe. In between Heathcliff and Catherine. Yeah. So this is also classic, and yeah, I have tried to read this book. Actually, I'm telling you that I have tried to read few pages of the book, and I could not understand anything. Like, I don't know why. Maybe Emily Bronte's language is difficult to understand. Maybe I am not smart enough. I don't know. But yeah, I'm kind of scared to read it now because at first time, I didn't understand it. So yeah, but I will pick it up. I know, and yeah, I want to read it actually, but I'm kind of avoiding it because of its difficulty to read. So this is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. Okay, so next book is of a very famous writer. It is One Indian Girl by Chetan Bhagat. I don't know if this is a romance book or not. I don't know about it. So yeah, you must have heard a lot about Chetan Bhagat. So yeah, I love the cover actually, by the way. It's very nice. But I'm kind of avoiding it. I don't know why. Really, I don't know why. Maybe I'm presuming it that it will be, I don't know. I don't know the reason. But yeah, I am constantly avoiding it because there are more popular books than this, or different books, on my immediate TBR that are on my priority. So maybe this is a good story. So yeah, let me know about it if you love this book and you want me to read it. And then again, I have second book of Chetan Bhagat. This my friend suggested me. She loved that book actually. It is Revolution 2020 by Chetan Bhagat, and it has a setting of Varanasi, Banaras, and I love Banaras. So yeah, I love that part. But actually, this book, it is about love, corruption, and ambition. So love part okay, ambition part okay, but I think corruption part, maybe I am assuming that it is difficult. I don't know, maybe I will not understand corruption part, or maybe something like that. Maybe it is boring. So kind of this is the reason. So but let me know, guys, that if you love this book and it is worth reading it, then let me know in the comments that I should read it. Okay, and I will pick it for sure one day. Okay, so I am having two Chetan Bhagat books. Yeah, I've never read actually Chetan Bhagat, so one of these will be my first book by him. Okay, so this is, I think this author is famous, but I don't think that book is famous. This is Like It Happened Yesterday by Ravinder Singh. So I have read Can Love Happen Twice by Ravinder Singh, and I rate that book, kind of 3 stars, 3 out of 5 stars, which is okay. And so yeah, this book is about childhood memories and nostalgia. I don't think it's about romance, and so I am thinking that maybe it is kind of boring. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe the childhood includes childhood love. I don't know about it. But yeah, so I'm presuming that I'm assuming that it will be boring, and I can be wrong. I'm not sure. So yeah, and I think, and I'm kind of feeling, without reading it, actually I'm kind of feeling regret of buying this book because I am constantly avoiding it. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that with any book. So if you love this book, please, tell me in the comments and I will read it. Okay, last book is the book that I think many of you will not expect it, that I'm avoiding it. And it's my personal preference actually. It is a love story and it is an emotional book. Okay, and it is thick, and it is I Fell in Love with Hope by Lan Kelly. So yeah, this is the book, and I absolutely love the cover. You can see how gorgeous it is. Two skeletons, like two humans hugging each other. I like, wow, I love the cover. And so yeah, I have heard that this book is very popular. It's an emotional love story set in a hospital kind of vibe. The reason I'm avoiding it because I personally prefer a love story between a boy and a girl, the normal kind of love story. And book, I didn't know when I bought it, okay? And later when I bought it, I came to know that this is a love story between two girls. And I don't like that. I don't know, it's my own choice, it's my own preference. I'm not telling that there is anything wrong about it. I am saying that I don't like that type kind of stories where two boys or two girls fall in love and their romance is shown. I didn't like that. So yeah, this is the big reason which is avoiding me to read this book. But I have bought it and it is so beautiful cover and it is emotional, it is famous and it is easy to read. There are so much spaces between the text and I've heard about it that it's very good. And I don't know, maybe I want to read it, but because of this reason I'm not able to read it. So please tell me that, like, is it very nice and I should read it, I should give it a chance. So yeah, tell me in the comments. Okay, so guys, these were the books which I am avoiding, for a long time, and I need motivation of you all to read it. So please motivate me in the comments if you love any of these books and you want me to read it. I will definitely read them and will give a review about it. So if you like this video, please like it, comment your views, and also share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.